Dhul Hijjah. This month is very special. It's very different. Why, Ya Allah? Number one, enough that this is the month that Allah chose, that Hajj is performed in that time. And that's why it's called Dhul Hijjah. So number one. Number two, this is the month, one of the sacred months. Islamically, so Allah said He chose these four to be sacred, special, and He said it in the Quran, in Surah At-Tawbah, فَلَا تَظْلِمُوا فِيهِنَّ أَنفُسَكُمْ. Do not wrongdo yourself during them. Don't commit sins. And even more important, take the opportunity and do a good deed, a lot of good deeds. So don't commit sins and do a lot of good deeds. And every good deed in the sacred months are multiplied, as well as the sins. So I need to look at the month I am now. It's an opportunity, and every smart person, every person who wants to be successful, the advice you get is take advantage of the opportunities. And this is the opportunity. I have it now. It's the month of Hajj. Get ready. Let's, number one, change internally, that I don't look at it as an ordinary month. Let's start our training camp in doing good deeds. Rasul ﷺ said, in these 10 days, that's the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, no days that good deeds are performed during them better than these days. No days that you perform good deeds better than when you do it in these 10 days. And good deeds are every good deed Allah loves. Salah, Siyam, prayer, fasting, charity, remembrance of Allah, and of course Hajj and Umrah. So look, get ready, prepare yourself, change. If you can take time off, take it, and get ready and take advantage of the opportunity.